In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow cookies in Microsoft Edge. If you've ever had trouble staying signed into a website, keeping items in your shopping cart, or seeing a site remember your preferences, cookies are usually the reason. Cookies are small pieces of data that websites save in your browser to make things work smoothly. I'll walk you through enabling them in Microsoft Edge, and I'll also point out what each setting means so you can choose the level of privacy and convenience that suits you. First, open your browser and make sure you're using Microsoft Edge. You'll know you're in Edge if you see the characteristic blue-green swirl icon and a clean, minimal interface. With Edge open, look to the top right corner of the window for the Settings and More menu. It appears as 3 horizontal dots. Click those dots to open the menu. From that menu, select Settings. This takes you to the main Settings hub where you can control how Edge behaves. On the left sidebar, click Privacy, Search, and Services. This area manages tracking, browsing data, and how sites interact with your browser. Next, find and click Cookies. Depending on your version of Edge, this may appear as cookies and site data or something very similar. This is the page where you control how websites store information on your device. Now, toggle on. Allow sites to save and read cookie data, which is marked as recommended. Turning this on enables the basic functionality most websites rely on: staying logged in, remembering language or theme choices, and keeping session information intact. The change takes effect immediately, so there's no need to restart your browser. If you want to allow all cookies, including those used by advertisers across different sites, toggle off Block third-party cookies. Third-party cookies come from services embedded on websites, like analytics and advertising networks. Turning this off can improve compatibility with certain sites that rely on third-party services. But it also means you may see more personalized ads and broader cross-site tracking. If you prefer a balance, keep third-party cookies blocked and only disable that block temporarily for sites that don't work without it. A quick tip: if a site still misbehaves after enabling cookies, try refreshing the page or signing out and back in. Also remember that in-private windows use stricter rules and clear data when you close them, so test in a regular window if you're troubleshooting. That's it. Your cookie settings are now configured in Microsoft Edge.